So we'll start today by talking about the Inca people. So government. What do we know about the Incan government? Who's in charge of it?
Empire. It's a
The emperor. Good. So put emperor. Somebody said what I was looking for too. He's considered to be what?
A god.
A god. A god slash or hyphen king. He's the descendant of the sun god. Inti. Okay. So emperor, god king, descendant of sun god Inti. What else do we know about their government? Do they have city states?
No.
No.
They're empire.
It's centralized.
What is that INTI?
That's the name of that sun god. Inti. I-N-T-I. That's his name. The centralized government. Capital cities where?
Cusco?
Cusco is the capital city. Capital city of Cusco is located where? This is where the empire
Andes
starts. It's in the Andes, but specifically what country is it?
Argentina.
Nope. Starts with a P?
Peru.
Peru.
Oops.
Peru is the starting point for this empire. After it begins in Peru, it grows to other parts of South America. Okay, so Peru is the starting point. You need to know that. We're also going to talk about that a little bit when we get to geography. Okay? Religion. What kind of religion do they have? They worship the God King. It's pretty simple. Machu Picchu, which is built in the Andes Mountains.
What was that used for?
Is this still in?
Worship. Machu Picchu is used for religious purposes. Machu Picchu is very important. The guy on the video yesterday made the statement that the Incan people, when they go there, they feel something. That it's sacred. It's a sacred ground for them. It's beautiful. I don't know about the sacred part. It's definitely a beautiful place in the mountains. So it's important that you know they have God King. Machu Picchu is used for religious purposes to worship the sun god. And the moon god. So they're polytheist. Polytheistic, which means they worship more than one god and gods of nature. Okay, architecture. What are they famous for? Let's put down Machu Picchu again.
Stone.
Stone, very good. Stonework. Bridges. And roads to connect the empire. Remember that these cities were very spread out within the empire, so they had to have roads to connect it all together. Geography. What's the most important geographical feature of the Incans?
They're diverse in all of them.
Where are they at geographically?
Andes.
The Andes Mountains are the most important geographical feature. The Andes Mountains has a tremendous amount of impact on these people. They have to learn to live there. They have to learn to farm there. They're farmers.
Under architect, can you put like how they farm on like side of mountains?
Sure, you could. Terrace farming can go under architecture or under geography. I'm going to put it under geography just for room's sake. Terrace farming.
The Andes
geographically, it is the most important, one of the most important features for them. Okay? It's a lot of information for one little group of people. Let's get to the Mayans. We got to cover this pretty quick today. So the Mayan people, tell me about their government.
City states.
Very good. City-states to start with. You can also, if they have city-states, what do they have?
The kings.
Kings. Good.
The true man.
The true man. Very good. The true man, who is a priest / king. Very good. So, I keep misspelling words today. What is wrong with me? So they're decentralized, which means they don't have central power. Religion. What do they believe?
Polytheism.
They're polytheistic. They believe in a blood sacrifice, remember? That is piercing of the skin or sacrifice of people. So the priest a lot of times would pierce himself. Piercing and human sacrifice. They are polytheist. Architecture, what are they known for?
Ziggurats and pyramids.
Good. Ziggurats. Pyramids. Where are they from? Where are they located at?
Amazon.
Southern Mexico.
Southern Mexico and
Central America.
Central America.
Southern Mexico and Central America. So not near the Amazon. They're not in South America. These people are Southern Mexico. That is the
So Southern Mexico and
Southern Mexico and Central America. Yeah, this is the Yucatan Peninsula, that region of the world. This is where they thrive. Coastal areas, they thrive there. If you go to, if you take a cruise today to Mexico and you go to Progreso and that area, you can go and tour the Mayan ruins. They're still there today. So Southern Mexico, Central Mexico, or Central America, just down at the bottom, just make sure you put that they're known for calendars, mathematics. Those are very important because they're very smart people. Okay, the Aztecs. So the Aztecs, what kind of government do they have?
Decentralized.
No, they were centralized
And an empire.
and an empire. Emperor is in power. Where's the capital? What's the place called? Tenochtitlan. I misspelled that. That's okay. You get the general idea. Which is what today? Modern day?
New Mexico, or Mexico City.
Mexico City. Where did they get their... I need to put a couple more things on here. How did they build their government? Tribute money. slash taxes. We need to make sure we have that for all of them because they all did that, okay? Tribute money. And this allowed them to build a vast empire. What kind of religion were they? Polytheist. Once again, they worshiped the sun god, believed in human sacrifice. Why do you think that all of these tribes worship the god of the sun?
Because of how they got light. How they could
Because all of them were what?
farmers.
Farmers. Make sure you put that under geography for all of them, because all of them, farming was their life. Without the sun, they had nothing. They knew that.
So it's for their religion, sustained polytheist sacrifice.
Remember, they believed in human sacrifice, which gave the emperor a lot of power. Emperor got to choose who was going to be next. Could choose the sacrifice. This gives him a lot of power, because people feared him. Okay, architecture. What are they known for? Tell you the first thing that I know them for, bridges. Bridges are very, very important. Remember, the capital city, Tenochtitlan, was not big unless they had the ability to build bridges to it, because it was on an island. Bridges and aqueducts were very important to the Aztec people. They also built ziggurats and pyramids. Geography, they're located in central Mexico. They're farmers. Once again, it's modern day Mexico City. Mexico City is still there today. One of the most populated cities in the world.
Okay, so bridges, aqueducts,
Bridges and aqueducts, very important.
and they also do.
They built pyramids and ziggurats also. Okay, the Cahokia people. We don't know a lot about the Cahokia government. We know it's tribal. Tribal. We know they're polytheist. These things are just easy. But when we get to architecture, what were they known for?
Mountains.
Earthen mounds. Earthen mounds. Where were they located? Geography? Mississippi River Valley. We talked about them. We talked about how primitive they were in comparison to these other groups of people. Mississippi River Valley.
What was the government?
Hey, when I finish this, I'm going to leave it up there for you. But I've got to get this in within a couple of minutes because I'm videoing, okay? Government for the Pueblos, once again, tribal. Religion, polytheist. What are they known for?
Cliff dwellers.
Cliff dwellings. And adobe houses. Why did they build adobe houses?
Because there was no rain there.
It is what they have. And mud is good for desert climates. It doesn't rain. Good, Bryson. You might be ready to test.
I told you. Being ready. I know these people inside now.
Geography. Where are they from? The Four
Arizona.
Corners,
Corners.
which is, quickly, New Mexico, Arizona, Colorado, and Utah.
Cares about Utah.